Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Flow Launcher on your Windows computer step by step. If Flow Launcher isn't working properly, your settings have become misconfigured, or you simply want to start with a fresh setup, resetting the application can often solve the problem. So let's get started. First, close Flow Launcher completely. Right-click the Flow Launcher icon in the system tray and choose Exit to make sure it's no longer running in the background. If needed, open Task Manager and end any remaining Flow Launcher processes. Next, open the Settings menu if you can still launch Flow Launcher and check whether your version includes a Reset Settings option. If it's available, use it to restore the application's default configuration. Yeah, this is the quickest way to reset Flow Launcher without reinstalling it. If there isn't a built-in reset option, you can manually reset the application by removing its configuration files or by uninstalling and reinstalling the latest version from the official Flow Launcher website or GitHub releases page. I mean, a clean reinstall usually restores the default settings while replacing any corrupted program files. After the reset is complete, launch Flow Launcher again and go through the initial setup. Re-enable your preferred plugins, customize the keyboard shortcut if needed, and adjust any settings that match your workflow. Finally, test the launcher by searching for an app or file to confirm that everything is working correctly. If the previous issue has been resolved, your reset was successful, and that's it. You now know how to reset Flow Launcher and restore it to its default settings. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.